So instead of going through the entire process of how this is put together,
You don't want to hang out with us that long.
it takes a little bit of time, right? But we want to point out to you, how are these prairie points attached? Start out with a square, fold it in half with wrong sides together, and fold it in half one more time so that you've created a triangle. You're gonna start out with one side, and I want you to line it up right along that line. The end of the triangle is just a little bit over the edge. Once that has been placed together, we're gonna take some tape. Now, Sherry, tell me how important tape is on this.
This is very important on this step.
How do you know this, Sherry?
Kyle told me.
Yeah. So we're gonna take it back to the machine and we're going to do a tack down stitch. There we go. Our little prairie points come popping out here.